Well, welcome back to another video. Me and this lad are camping tonight in a fishing bivvy. It's a popper bivvy. It literally gets put up in 5 seconds, 10 seconds at a push to put it up or erect it. And we're going to be sleeping in that tonight with a basic blow up mat, a sleeping bag and a dog, and a wet dog at that. So got a little chair. It's not too much of a walk down the river to go and get up and get to the location. Got a pot noodle, and so we'll get that cooked up, and he's got some dog food, so it's going to be pretty damn good. Anyway, catch you in a minute when we get to the location. We are here, literally right by the river. You see, just at the water's edge, and because we've got a fishing bivvy, we're here fishing, or so they think. While he goes and swims, I'll show you this. So this is it's called a popper bivvy. If you do fish, you may know what it is. I've had it since I was a kid. Used it when I was doing archery to keep dry. It comes like this. Winston! God, you see it? It's literally halfway across the river. Ah well, he's having fun, chasing the pigeons, seagulls. So anyway, this is how quick this is to put up. And there it is. So I'll peg it down in a minute, but just to show it to you, there you go. It literally just pops up, as you saw. You peg it down, it's got a little ground sheet, and that's what we're in tonight. Sit, sit. Eyes set on these seagulls. No? Well, you're not having them. You can't have them. Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay. Let's get some cooking. Although, it's cooking for mine, not yours, okay? Got noodle. I can see already you're not going to be very helpful here, okay? I wouldn't get too close to that one, mate. Wow, now that didn't take long at all. Yeah, chicken and mushroom pot noodle. Or snack noodle, as Aldi would call it. Bit of soy sauce. Oh, I've taken the top all off. No, you're going to get burnt. Okay. Oh, it smells great. Old school pot noodles. Right. Shall let that settle. There. Whilst I get this lad sorted, because he is whinging. Well, we got Earl's 100% complete and balanced beef in gravy. Hey, get out my pot noodle. Oh no, river water. What's this? What is it? Oh God, oh sorry. Oh no, I've not got your bowl. Oh dear. I'm going to have to go horrific here and give it you in my cup. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. You ready? Oh, sit, sit, stay. Need to show them how appetizing this looks. Look at that. At least you get some proper meat. Anyway. Stay. 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 Winston, stay. Stay. Okay, good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Right, he's going to enjoy that. I'm going to enjoy this, and then we'll get the bed set up. The sun is just dipping down behind there, so I'll give you a bit of a sunset. Well, from a distance it looks like I'm fishing. I'm sure of that. But if anybody actually came to speak to me, I think I'd need a rod or a reel and a line. I've never fished in my life, so I've just got the fishing tent, which kind of puts a negative on it. So I'm trying to keep an eye on him, but he's loving life. Loving life in the river. But in this hot weather, I don't blame him. So first of all is the mat. So if you've seen this, if you've seen me camping on the channel before, you'll know what this is. It's literally a cheap mat that I got, but it's served me well so far. What was that? Made me dizzy. Seven blows, I can't remember. And the pillow. Three. So if it was 7, it's 10 blows for the whole thing. And it's not very thick, but it does exactly what you need it to. Gives you some padding and some comfort. And at this time of year, insulation isn't a problem. It's not an issue. Not required. In fact, the last few camps, the sleeping bag hasn't been really required. It's hasn't been that warm. Lovely stuff. And the sleeping bag is this one. Again, dead cheap off eBay. They are an absolute lie. You cannot take this down, even to be comfortable at 5 degrees. I'd say it's very much a spring summer, sort of 9, 10, 11 degrees would be comfortable. But it's a mummy sleeping bag, well, mummy-ish. It's got the head bit, get your pillow in, or your jacket or whatever. And it's nice and long, so it certainly does the trick for me. So there we are, all set up. Sort of half camouflaged in as well, which is nice. Certainly camoed into the background. So there we are, all set he is there, off and away into the sea. So I'm going to try and get him back, and I will speak to you when we're off to bed. Go on, Winston Hasselhoff. You alright, fella? Living his best life. That's me for the night. That pot noodle was about as good as it's going to get, food wise, and he's had his food. He's just finishing off in the river. Now get him settled down. But unless anything crazy happens, I will speak to you in the morning. If you are enjoying the video, as always, please subscribe to the channel. Come along for the ride. There's plenty more videos coming along. Camping, outdoors, car camping, all that sort of stuff. And we'd love to have you along. If you are enjoying the videos and I'm entertaining you and the lad and the dog are entertaining you in one way or another, please like the video as well, because that really helps the channel out and helps it grow. So anyway, I will speak to you in the morning. Night night. Good morning. Well, he snuck out 4 times, maybe. Utterly dreadful sleep. He literally just went out under the bottom. There was absolutely no point in having a door on this thing. So I had to try and peg his lead down, but I barely slept. Oh, that was a nightmare. And he's off in the river. Anyway, we'll get up, get sorted, and get ready. Anyway, it was an experience, to say the least. Right, I'm going to show you how quick this thing is to pack away as well. So I'll get the camera set up, and it is really nice and easy. Okay, so as I say, this is nice and quick to get set. Well, it's lovely and quick to get set up. It's just as nice and quick to take it down. So, sleeping bag, just like any other sleeping bag. Stuff into it, stuff sack. This one doesn't quite compress down to the small size of many of the others. Christ, scared the hell out of me. It's only a bit of grass. The valve on the pillow. That's all the air out of that. And then we literally just roll it down. To get all the air out of the main part. Again, I'm not too fussed on space. I've got a nice big pack. But that comes down like that. And the tent, easiest part of all. Fold it up, turn it upside down, grab the 2 ends, and there it is. And then it just goes back in the pack. And then we're off and away. Sorted. As I say, if you like the video, please subscribe, come along for the ride. Let me know down below if you like this kind of video on the different kind of tents, little fishing tent, bivvy tent. I quite liked it, and I'll quite happily do some more as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.